You wan send message to person and you no know how to type the thing fast because the message plenty. Maybe you and person dey discuss something, you wan send message to the person, you no know how you go take type am fast. Now I wan give you the easy solution. E get wetin we dey call voice typing. For example, I wan send message to somebody for WhatsApp. I no know how to speak much grammar. I no know how to type the thing. Even though say maybe I sabi speak grammar, but I no know how to spell much. Maybe me and spelling no balance. Now, for that voice typing, if na WhatsApp, I go to WhatsApp. I wan send message to somebody. So I wan use my second line do example for now. So I don open to chat with the person. Then I click on the message place as if I want to type message. If I click this thing now, this microphone, so once I click am, you go see say initializing, then you go come say make I speak. So, hello my friend, how are you? Send am. You see now say I don send am. Then I go again. It has been long that I saw you last. I drop am. Again. I hope family is okay. Drop am. Concerning what we discussed the last time, I think we should consider doing the work in a very lenient way. You see am? Then, thank you. God bless you. I don send message finish. I no type anything. Even if you no know how to type, at least you go fit speak English. So if you just follow this method, the person where they chat with you no go even know say na voice you use. Wetin no na say na type. Him go see say the thing they type. He no go know say na voice you use. So with that, you go fit send message easily and fast. So let's say maybe the person say he get a lot of things to say. As they talk like that, they send them. As they talk like that, they send them. They go see say everything go well. So today now, I don show now how to use voice, do typing and send to somebody. In case maybe your own phone, the thing no dey, you know say once your keyboard appear like this, maybe no see this voice recording symbol. Once your keyboard appear, you just go to this settings, this keyboard setting. If you just tap settings, once you tap settings now, some people won't go just go to keyboard direct. Why for this one now, the thing just show voice typing. So I may say use voice typing I on am. So if the thing dey off, maybe meet am like this, it dey like this, you just what on am. So once you on am, you go back. If you go back again, you go see say the thing go dey there. Then if you be say maybe your own phone, maybe the thing in define am, you never see am. Like as I thought, if you go settings, just go to where your keyboard dey. If you go to where your keyboard dey, check well, you go see am for there. You go there among the preferences and other things there. But now for keyboard settings, now it dey majorly. In case you need to ask question or you need me to do another video, just drop am for the comment section. Thank you. See you next time. If you need somebody wey go fit manage your social media channel like your Facebook, your YouTube, Instagram and so on, abeg no fail to contact me. Call the number wey dey for the screen for any kind of social media management. Are they available? And you go get the best result from me. I guarantee you that one.